Welcome to 1401 Wrigley Road in Ayr. This house has to be seen to be believed, especially the pool area. If you like to entertain, this is the house for you. Come on in, let's check it out. It's going to be amazing. Once you walk inside the large foyer, you're here into the living room, which is an actually grand space. Can't really tell in the video, but it has vaulted ceilings, so it feels very large in here. You have a gas fireplace, you're close to the dining room, you're close to the kitchen with a little eat-in space, and a great walkout to the deck over there. This has hardwood floor and everything you need to start your entertainment with all of your family. Here inside the sunny kitchen space, you have the little eat-in area right here, and then you have a really nice open area into your living room where you can cook and entertain. You have a great space here to put some food out. This is actually a really, really nice kitchen to enjoy entertaining in and still be part of the action while you're cooking. Primary suite over here right off the kitchen. So the bedrooms work like a little wings here. You have this side of the house, which is the primary suite, the other side, which is for the kids or for anybody else who's staying as a guest. So this is a perfectly private space for the primary owner of this home to enjoy, with the ensuite and the laundry. All of it is right here in this large bedroom. Come on in here to the primary bathroom. You have a shower, you have a linen closet. Over here you have laundry, so you don't have to go very far with your laundry, and a great soaker tub. So everything that you would need for true bungalow living is here. Whether you live with family or not, this is the perfect place to retire. The size of this basement is fantastic if you are looking to entertain. We have a gas fireplace, you have the pool table, you have what we're calling the movie pit here in the middle. So it is a lounge area that has a big screen in it. It is so fantastic to sit here with family, have movie night, watch the game. This is a really large basement with really nice windows and a walkout to a great sunroom. But you could also make this into an in-law suite. So right now it's set up to have a full bar for your entertaining needs. But if that doesn't work out for you, you can easily make this bar into a kitchen. There's still a living room down there, the walkout sunroom, and into one of the rooms down here that could be a great bedroom because it has a really huge window. And then another washroom down here. So you have a full washroom down here. This is set up so well to set up an in-law suite if you need it right away. There is basically this bedroom with a window and another small room that could be used as a gym or an office, plus all of that space in the middle, and easily you can convert it into a kitchen and have this as an in-law suite almost right away.
One thing I love about this room is not only is it the perfect place to watch a Jays game all summer long, God, please do better, but there is so much potential in this room because if it's super nice out and you want to go back, oh, there's a door. But what if you want to sit outside and still watch the game? I got something for you. Watch this. They've thought of everything in this house because this opens up and you just slide the screen out, shuffle your TV over, and you can watch the game while sitting out in this amazing backyard. Find me a better backyard than that. You'll be hard-pressed.
Once you come outside of this wonderful screened-in sunroom, you are out to a fraction of the yard in this amazing pool area. So you have the pool here in front of me, you have the hot tub here, then you have this great structure which has all you need for entertaining. So you're gonna have a washroom over there with a full toilet for your guests where they can change. And then everyone's favorite, the bar. So sit up here, enjoy some shade, and have a drink at the bar. There is no better home to party in than this one. Look at the size of this yard. You are over half an acre out here. You have the fenced-in pool area, but then you still have all of this space. So if you want to go ahead and have a ladder ball tournament with friends, you're set up here to have a fire pit. And beyond that, we even have the man cave. So let's go in and check out this man cave and see what's there for someone who wants to get away from the rest of the family.
Gentlemen, I'm going to talk about this because Steph has no idea what she's talking about. She was utterly confused by how great this man cave is. Not only do you have a perfect entry area, you've got a man door over there, you have this excellent space that you can use if you just need to get away from everyone. You got a TV in here, you can watch Jays game inside, you can watch Jays game out here, you can come cry out here after the Jays lose because they're having a terrible season. It's all good. And then, when it's time to mow the lawn, come on in here where you store all of your fun equipment. Now, it's about a 2-beer lawn, so you got to pace yourself, but look at all of the room. You can store all the fun toys in here, and you need some space. Oh, I'm coming out to fix the lawnmower. I'm coming out to fix the tractor. I'm coming out to cry because the Jays are doing so bad. Everything you need is out here. It's heated. It's got a wood stove. It's got electricity. What more do you want? It's even wired for sound. Come on. Find somewhere better in a man cave. I dare you.